2 years into the war, the battlefield has expanded not just in geography but in consequences. Drone strike inside Russia, NATO growing support for Ukraine, and a fear of escalation in this global chessboard. Namaskar, you're watching the Unfiltered Talk with Rishika. Today we begin with an operation that stunned the world, rattled Russian command, and potentially changed the course of the Ukraine war. On Sunday, in a meticulously executed drone assault, Ukrainian intelligence and drone units carried out what is being called one of the boldest operations in the conflict so far, striking deep inside Russian territory, targeting strategic air bases and reportedly damaging or destroying up to 41 aircrafts. These weren't just any aircrafts, they are included Russians' prized long-range bombers like the Tu-95, Tu-22 M3 and even a A-50 surveillance airplane, all used for crucial missile attack on Ukrainian city. Before we talk more about this escalation, let's take a step back, understand the background of this war and India's stand in all of this. The Russia-Ukraine war didn't start in 2022, it was actually started in 2014 when Russia took over Crimea from Ukraine. That led to fighting in eastern Ukraine and global criticism. On 24th February 2022, Russia launched a full-scale invasion of Ukraine. Russia said it was trying to demilitarize Ukraine and protect Russian-speaking people. But most of the world saw it as an attack on a peaceful, independent country. Now let's talk about India's position. India has stayed neutral, not supporting Russia's invasion openly, but also not criticizing it. India has always called a peace and talk, not for war. Prime Minister Narendra Modi even told President Putin at the summit in 2022, this is not the era of war. That message was heard. India didn't vote for or against Russia in the UN, but it has sent humanitarian help to Ukraine. India is walking a fine line, balancing its long-term defense ties with Russia while also growing its relationship with the Western countries. India's main concern is protecting its own strategic energy interest while standing by the principle of respecting each country's independence. But as the war becomes more dangerous, the big question is, can diplomacy stop a global crisis before it's too late? Now talk about how Ukraine pulled it off. So what made this attack so unique? Ukraine didn't send drones from its own territory. Instead, secretly smuggled drones inside Russia over the several months. They hid them into wooden sheets that looked like a mobile cabins and finally launched them from inside Russian land. That attack targeted airfields in 4 big regions from the far in north, which is nearly 4,500 kilometers from the Ukraine's border. President Zelensky confirmed that 117 drones were used in this operation. He also revealed that this mission was planned 1 year, 6 months and 9 days. He called it brilliant. The global reaction, the world speak. Russia is trying to downplay the attack, but Western countries, experts are paying close attention. UK Defense Secretary said Ukraine is now able to strike even behind enemy lines. Germany Foreign Minister said Moscow now knows it's not safe even deep inside Russia. US defense analyst called it a stunning success. But China has remained silent and India has not yet made any comment either. Why India should worry? The situation is dangerous not only in the military terms but also economically. Russia is India's biggest oil supplier, giving about 39.3% of our total oil imports as of April 2025. If this war grows, the West increase sanctions or if Russia responds strongly, the global oil market could crash. Oil prices may go very high, India's inflation may rise, or our import cost could become a heavy burden. And now the US is considering a 500% tax on the countries that are still buying oil from Russia, clearly aimed at Russia and China. The question that must be asked, will Russia now strike back with a huge missile attacks? Is this the next big step in the war? And finally, how long can India keep balancing the both sides without facing the heat of this war? This is a geopolitical earthquake. It's shaking global diplomacy, energy markets, and military strategies. Ukraine has shown how new warfare tactics can change everything. Russia is now planning its next move. The world is watching carefully. This was the Unfiltered Talk with Rishika. Stay informed, stay alert, because the world is changing fast and it won't wait for anyone. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.